Okay, this is study guide 4, problem number 5. And so we're being asked to determine which of these congruences are true and which are false. So we have 91 is congruent to 3 mod 4. So as I said in the study groups, how I view this symbol, this congruent symbol, is like an equal sign with an extra subtraction that lets me know what the order is. So another way of wording this is that 91 minus 3 is equal to 4k, and we're testing to see if k is an integer or not. So 91 minus 3 is 88. And k is equal to 22. And since 22 is an integer, then 91 congruent 3 mod 4 is true. Next up is 88 is congruent to 5 mod 6. Again, I'm going to rewrite this as 88 minus 5 is equal to 6k. I'm looking to see if k is an integer. 88 minus 5 is equal to 83, equal to 6k. 6 goes into 83, let's see, 1 with 2 left over, 23. So this is not an integer. Let's just verify with my calculator, so I'm not doing that. Correct. So k would be, there's no way of simplifying that, so k is equal to 83 over 6, which is not an integer. So 88 congruent to 5 mod 6 is false. Next up is 119 is congruent to 0 mod 7. Okay, 7 goes into 11 one time with 4 remaining. 7 goes into 49 7 times, or sorry, I should write this out. I'm sorry, guys. Minus 0 is equal to 7k. 119 is equal to 7k. K is equal to 17, which is an integer. So 119 is congruent to 0 mod 7 is true. And finally, 235 is congruent to 3 mod 13. So that's 235 minus 3 is equal to 13k. That is 232 is equal to 13k. And on my calculator, that's not, 232 is not divisible by 13, and there's no way of simplifying that fraction. So since that is not an integer, then 235 congruent to 3 mod 13 is false. And that's it for this problem.